Hello, sis. Hello.
Hello, good evening, Bro Drian.
Hello, good evening too.
Okay, what's up for today?
It's pretty good. I think not have many tasks for today.
Okay.
So I can did my other works out of my office task, yeah. Something
Okay.
like the side project or anything else. Um, Also not have some any incident for today, so it's kind of be good. I think, yeah,
Okay, I
it's
see.
pretty good.
I see. So you work on another project also outside your main job?
Sorry.
So you work on another project out of your
Okay.
main job?
Yes. I work with my supervisor
Mm-hmm.
thesis.
Mm.
Just continue about that project.
Oh, okay, I see, I see, right. Mm. But it's allowed to do another job in
Yes,
office.
it's a load. It's a load because I do out of the yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's low. Um, but just make sure that your tasks in this office finished right.
Oh, okay.
You have a good key performance index
Mhm,
and
mhm,
company also. Yeah.
mhm. Okay, so as long as your main responsibility is finished, you can do another things.
Yes, that's simple
Ah,
words. Yeah, that's right. So
mhm. So for today, we have a topic to talk about. It's about agreement and disagreement.
equipment.
Yes, that's right. What do you think about this picture, Brodrian?
Um, uh, that is the people that debate about their POV
Mhm.
that the POV is nothing wrong about them. Yeah,
Okay.
both have uh, a right opinion
Mhm.
from their point of view.
Okay, I see. Do you think it's okay to have different POV from other people?
Um, yeah, uh, I think it's not just okay, but it's needed. It's
Mhm.
something like how you say like yeah, something that you needed in your life because um you need to accept or tolerance about other person
Mhm.
opinion, but and also don't think that you always gonna be right about anything.
Mhm. Uh,
Maybe someone have some more experience about
mm,
it. You don't know uh, everything, yeah, something like that. I think.
okay, I see. When was the last time you have an argument with someone?
When the last time I have a woman, mm, I think um uh it just happened like today. with my friends, we're talking about some videos that explain that ask the question like something like this. Wait, a minute, I can forget. Uh, do you choose lose all of your memories
Mhm.
or never be able to make new ones?
Mhm. Okay.
Um, we have a different point about that questions about
Mhm.
we have different answer. Um, for me, I am in the uh, I'm in the side that uh, uh, that say uh, apa? I will choose the uh, never be able to make the new ones rather than losing all of my memories. Um, I think because um, like right now I think I will enough with everything
Mhm.
that I have been through in my life.
Mhm.
For me, the question like choose the death or forget about everything, like about your family, your parents, your friends, and all of my journey that
Mhm.
have shaped me
Mhm.
into who I am right now.
Mhm.
Um, like the love of my parents, my family, my
Mhm.
friends, it's mean so much for me,
Mhm.
and I didn't want to losing about it. And yeah, about the future, maybe we can create the new memories, right?
Mhm.
But uh, I truly don't want to forget about the memories,
Mhm.
like the yeah, all the things lose, all the things that I said before that's matter for me until now. So if if it's the end, if it is true the end, uh, yeah, I'm grateful that I was I was can to live
Mhm.
and meet the people that I love
Okay, I
and
see.
learn everything. Yeah, because yeah, what the mean if you continue to live but you forget about your parents or your
Mhm.
family, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
But my friend, yeah, that she agree with that argument also, but they more choose the make the new one and forget about everything.
Okay, okay. So for you yourself, it will be better to cannot remember any new memories, but you still have your
Yes,
old memories with you.
yes. I think the thing that make us different is, for me, the
Mhm.
other person is more matter than myself,
Okay.
and for her, she said, she like, she want to make able to the new one, so I
Mhm.
think she want to more enjoying about her life,
Mhm.
like her life in the future. Many things that can be did it, can be do it, and it's okay if if she forgets about anything in
Oh,
the past.
okay, okay. All right. So it just happened today, the
It just happened
discussion.
today.
Okay.
It's just like yeah, in sometimes in the end of time works we discuss about the some
Random.
topics, some
Okay.
topics.
Okay, okay. That's interesting topic to talk about. All right. So this one, how we express our agreement in English.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, because after this,
Uh,
I will ask you some opinions, or whether you are agree or disagree about that statement.
okay.
Okay, ini boleh dibaca aja, Bro Rian.
Praise, expressions, agreement. I think you're right. Yang rasa kamu benar. I agree with all Casey. I'm absolutely on the same point. Okay. Okay, you have got the point there. Okay. I couldn't agree more. Oh, couldn't agree more. Sangat setuju. Couldn't.
Okay.
Okay. I think so too. Okay. Um, how about the disagree, but like a half agree or partly agree?
Okay.
I agree in some point, but kayak gitu aja berarti. Agree with
Yes,
some.
you can say just like that.
Yeah.
I agree and the same point that,
Um,
or I agree with you, however, I blah, blah.
okay.
And this one for the disagreement.
Okay. I'm not convinced. Gimana sih convinced? Convinced.
Convinced.
Convinced by that idea. Tidak yakin gitu. Okay. I'm not sure, but okay. I think I disagree because don't get me wrong, but I don't think they fit with them. Okay, don't get me wrong. Okay. I see what you mean, but it look a bit empty. Empty. Sorry,
Empty.
bit empty. I am sorry, but I have different opinion. It may sounds good idea, but okay.
Okay, all right. This is for the disagreement. Okay. Maybe some of them are familiar with you to you. And
Um, yes, sometimes like don't get me wrong. I kinda often hear about that word.
okay, okay. Have you ever debate with someone using English before or made an argument?
Um, I didn't I think because I cannot talking too much with English
Mm,
if I'm in the debate. So
okay.
if I'm in the debate or what war argument,
Mm-hmm.
it will be in bad.
Mm-hmm.
Tadi
Mm-hmm.
mas,
Right.
yuk,
Are you, are you in office, bro?
yes, I'm in office right now.
Okay. All right. That's why the internet is so much better than yesterday.
Ah, that's absolutely right.
Yes. Okay. So, do you agree or disagree with this statement? And please your reason. The first one is English is something easy to learn. Do you agree
Okay.
or disagree?
Mm, sorry?
English is something easy to.
Okay.
Mhm.
Something is easy. Uh, um, uh, I think I'm agree. In the half part, in the some part, like English is easy to learn because like um, it can be learned uh, just just with you like watch some movies or like reading or some doing something in English, the but sometimes it's kind of too hard to to remember like the correct English, like the grammar, and applicate the grammar
Mhm.
in the all of your words, and sometimes um the the different word, but in the some pronunciations
Mhm.
that you hear, it can be makes us confusing. confusing, and yeah, it's easier at the start,
Mhm.
but when we going deeper, it's kind of too hard. It's tricky also maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, I think everything's that you learn when you learn will be easy in uh in the out or in the beginning, but when
Mhm.
you going deeper, you hit the barrier that you learn about it.
Mhm.
It will be going harder than before.
Mhm.
It needs more your uh, intentions
Mhm.
to learn more about it
Okay, I see. Yeah, right. You can say it's easy and the surface kayak di
in the
permukaan.
surface. Okay,
Okay, all right. Yeah, sometimes
so
everything has its own challenge when we try to learn in depth about that.
ah,
Right. Next statement, Bro Drian.
okay.
Okay. Do you agree or disagree that with the statement never judge people by its cover?
Um, about this argument, I totally agree. Uh, the the point is absolutely right. I think, like, we don't know uh about the person,
Mhm.
what the person just by looking at them, like the first impressions. It's kind of often lie. I think
Mhm.
it's bullshit. Yeah,
Mhm.
bad words some um sometimes kind people like the something that they did the kind things,
Mhm.
but they have uh the intention that they hide it, or the bad intention for this, yeah. And sometimes maybe people going hard to you, or yeah, going hard to you to but he have a good intention for this.
Mhm.
Like I think like me into my sister,
Mhm.
I'm going hard to her, but I have a good intention for her. Something like that.
Okay. Yes, yeah,
Yeah,
right.
something like that. I think.
Okay. But have you ever experienced like you misjudge everyone at the first time you think about this, about the people, but after you
Okay.
know more about that, about them, it's actually not as what you think.
Yeah. I've ever that's have ever happened to me. That's when someone new,
Mm-hmm.
someone new that I know him, le talking like talking not politely to me, like some just yeah, using some bad words, kind of like that. But uh, uh, yeah, I never judge. I didn't judge him, but because I think he did it just because he want to um, getting closer with me in as a friends, and want to going easy,
Mm-hmm.
like talking like as a best friend or something else. I think. But
Okay.
I think if he did it to someone else that uh, kind of sensitive with the bad words, um, I think they will judge them.
Mm-hmm.
They will judge him about this.
I see, all right. So the way he approached you is kind of different.
Yeah, yeah, that's kind of different.
Mhm. Mhm. And then, what do you think? Do you agree about that saying no to other is good for mental health?
Yeah, it's totally agree again.
Mhm.
Like the setting, the boundary.
Mhm.
There is something that you can say yes. There's something that can you say no to others. Um, it's healthy, yeah,
Mhm.
because you can choose. You can filter
Mhm.
what is that you want, because saying yes to all of them, all of requests that people to please people will drain your apa berarti
And
physics, mental and physics,
physics,
physics, physics.
mentally, physically.
Oh, physics. Oh, yeah, benar. In the mental and physical.
Okay.
So, um, it's uh, it's better to say no if you didn't want to help them.
Okay.
But even me, it's something uh kind of hurt also
Mhm. Okay.
for
So
me.
how you set your boundaries about that?
Um, it's it's rare to say no. Yeah, I think what is it? Like the if like uh maybe if that work cannot I can finish with some deadline. I think
Mhm.
I didn't want to make a fake
Mhm.
promise,
Mhm.
promise, I
Promise.
fake promise for him, and a fake hope. Um, so I just say it, but the truth, if did, I cannot did it.
Okay, okay, all right. But it's kind of hard to set the boundaries to
Yeah,
say no sometimes.
yeah, yeah. If, yeah, it's kind of hard, I think.
Mhm. Alright. Next statement, bro. Do you agree that money is more important than love?
If you say the more important, I think no. I disagree about this. Yeah. Uh, uh, um, I think it's right if you say the money is the important thing or the crucial things for your life or for
Mhm.
stability for your life. But I think it's not more important than love because live if you live but without love,
Mhm.
uh, if without love it will be feels empty. Yeah. Sometimes I think that someone say the money is more important than love. Uh, they didn't realize that that also get some love from their partner or friends, yeah.
Mhm.
Because I've heard something like this, like the money solves the problems, but
Mhm.
the love give gives gives meaning,
Give
give give meanings, like
meaning.
meaning, ya kayak
Mhm.
uh, uh, yang bikin itu berarti ya karena
Ah,
kasihnya, karena rasa sayangnya gitu.
I see, I see. Right. Oh.
So uh, apa uh, uh, I didn't want to put aside. It's more important.
Okay, I see. But if you had to choose one of them,
Hmm?
if
Okay.
you had to choose one of them.
Okay. If I need to choose about the money and love, yeah, I
Mhm.
will choose the money, yeah. Because yeah, because um um the why my answer it's different from my answer. It's really it's not give a connection right about my choice and the argument. Um because I think the um I can feel the empty with another love, yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully like something like that. But still, but even I said I even I pick the money, I choose the money one. Uh, I will also to find another love. It still it still need the love
Mm.
to force my life.
Oh,
It sounds like that, I think.
okay, okay. That's kind of contradictory to each other.
Yeah,
All right. But in fact, we need both of them.
yeah, that's right. That's right.
Mhm.
I agree.
All right. Next question. Next
Okay.
statement about good looking. Do you think,
Oh,
do you agree or disagree that everything will be easier in this world if you are beautiful or handsome?
um, uh, how you say like, uh, it will be a painful answer, but I agree, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Just because, um, uh, mm, um, because I think, people, apa ya, bilang gimana ya, uh, people tend to treat, uh, uh, I think I think I can often to see the people that have as beautiful or handsome looks get more opportunities or maybe get some trust faster than people that not have it. Um, uh, because sometimes with the person that have a good looks, uh, we just spontaneously um to um to feel feel have a more good connection with them because uh we enjoy the lookings and makes our hearts better ambience, I think. So apa secara tidak sadar tuh berarti kayak
Unconsciously.
unconsciously unconsciously kemarin ya it doesn't mean looks always guarantee the success. You still need about the skills, about the skills like in your job, but the beautiful looks, it's just giving some boost
Okay, I
to
see.
that. So the important things that still the skills and your apa your
What is that? What is that?
ya apa tadi bang apa ya it's just giving uh, apa the looks just boost, but the most important things it's still the skills and the ethics.
Okay, I see, I see. The skills and the ethic. All right, character. Yeah, okay. So it means, no idea. So it means most people judge by the cover first.
Oh, uh, um, they didn't judge the cover. Oh, uh, they, I think they didn't judge the cover just because they also looks about the ethics, right, about their
Hmm.
skills, but the looks just giving some better angle
Okay.
if in the conversation kayak putus-putus kah? Tulisin putus-putus.
It's a bit lagging actually. All right. Okay, so
Okay, sorry.
mhm.
Okay.
So it kind of boosts the opportunity and also open the first gate at least.
Yeah. Yes. Open the first gate. Yeah.
Mhm.
Like yeah. If you face the some choice, some option like the people, the people that have same skills, same ethics. I think but just the difference about them, just the looks.
Mhm. Mhm.
I think I think they will pick good the the better looks. I
Okay.
just the unconsciously, right?
Yeah, of course. That's a bad truth. Kenyataan.
But yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay, okay. All right. I
that's
agree with that. Next question. Mm, this one. Do you agree that child-free is one of the best way to decrease population?
if we say the goal is reducing populations, it will be child child free.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because child free um um it's not adding more the people, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in just if we say just to reduce
Mm-hmm.
or decrease the population,
Mm-hmm.
child free will be the answer.
Mm-hmm.
But because that is some uh, very personal decisions
Mm-hmm.
or personal things, uh, everyone have some apa bang ya, have some privilege to choose what they want.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, because to the decreased population, the option I think just child free or no adding more people or kill the other person. That's just the options. So
Yeah,
the best option is just child free. You didn't bad things.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, all right. But do you agree with the idea of child free in general?
Um, in general, I agree with the child free. Because to have some to have a child in your life,
Mhm,
that's many things that you need to be prepared
mhm,
first, and after that, you need to make sure you can give the good life for the child.
mhm.
Um, yeah, you need to you have a responsibility to thinking about the future,
Mhm.
because that is your decision to have the child, even the child that they also that can they cannot have uh, uh, some faults to atau giving some apa some
Decision?
yes, the child itself that cannot have some
Decision.
uh, decisions.
Ya, keputusan.
That's some decision. Okay.
Hmm, okay, okay. That's nice idea. All right. Next, jangan lagi ya.
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait for a while. So, do you agree with the statement that studying abroad is always better than studying in your home country?
Um, if you're talking about our country, I agree with that. Uh, Very agree. Um, but oh, it's I think it depends the country
Mhm,
of your destiny.
mhm,
Um, um, the country needs to the the better country, especially in educations or uh, in minimum in the technology also. Uh, if you study in that place, it will give you more good opportunity,
mhm,
better opportunity, better knowledge,
mhm,
better opportunity, better um, jobs. Also about the payments,
mhm,
it's,
mhm.
it will give you better.
Okay. What about if the people is originally for developing country, but is it better for them to study abroad to other developing country or just stay in their home country?
Um, um, if we're talking about their development,
Mhm,
um, I think it will be better because if they live other country, they will be chance with some. They will face the chance like about the apa, uh, about to like learn another language or maybe hmm, apa sih bertahan apa ya bertahan hidup gitu apa
survive.
survive it's ya learn to survive in the country that you feel foreign, I think,
Mhm.
sound like that.
Okay, okay.
Asing lah, ya maksudnya asing untuk kamu lah gitu.
Asing. Kalau asing tuh bisa strange.
Strange, that is strange for you berarti.
Mhm.
Um,
Or
because
unfamiliar.
oh yeah, because of that situations, unconsciously your body, your brain will thinking about how to survive in that place, and
Okay.
you will learn many things, the new things in that place.
Yes, of course. And it also happened when we study in other city out of our hometown, right? Mm.
Uh,
Do you think that way?
mm, 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 um, it also happens also, I think. But if you sometimes if we sometimes we when we just go to another city, like the culture it's not totally different. I
Mhm.
mean, like maybe something that you find in your hometown that also can be your that can be your find in the new place, uh, or maybe the, always there is always something the same things
Mhm.
it's same things or the something related with your hometown,
Mhm.
but if you go to another country usually it will be totally different,
Okay.
especially when you go yeah when uh apa I said like kayak uh, getting further place it will give your more different culture.
Okay. Okay. One. And do you agree? Anyway, do you have a plan to study abroad, Rodrian?
Yes, I have planned to study abroad.
What country? Your destination?
Um, um, the country destination, I think will be Japan or Australia or Aussie, Australia.
Okay. I see, I see. Do Japan has a what is we call technology university or something?
Oh yes, yeah, they have the some technology university,
Mm.
uh, and university is also in the top 50 also. I think it's if I cannot be if I not wrong about it.
What university is that?
I forgot about that. Yeah. But yeah. I think uh, the university in Japan is better than ours.
Okay.
Nah, tapi
Right.
aku lupa deh namanya kalau
Got it. All right. So let's move to the next statement. Do you agree that uniforms in school are unnecessary?
um uh, and sorry. um about the form ini skill ya mas ngomongin skill
Uniform school.
in school the uniform uh, 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 actually I think the uniform is yeah unnecessary yeah, because the uniform that can the uniform not give you a side effect to about your studies about your knowledge yeah. You can still have this you can still get the same knowledge even if you not use the uniform in that place. Yeah, just like the uni, like in the uni, the uniform that not uh, guarded in some roles, and our person in uni still can get the same knowledge, same learn experience.
Okay, I
So
see. So
I
it's
think kind
actually
of like that.
unnecessary.
Actually, that is the unnecessary. But I think, but sometimes, some people say the uniform in the school, it's also training about the disciplines of students. The students' discipline, yeah, something like that.
Yeah. And then, what do you think if it's, I mean, like the policy is implemented in Indonesia? Like,
Mm, uh, in Indonesia, uh, I think in Indonesia it's already good. Even I say the uniform it's unnecessary, but uh, maybe it will give some good effect when the students use the same uniform in the schools,
mhm,
and also about the uniform it's also give a sign to the other person that is the student that still in learn pace, I think.
okay, yeah,
Yes,
student.
something like that.
Mm,
So I think it's already good for
mhm.
our country to have some rules about it.
Okay, okay. Then, what do you think about this one? Having pets at home make people happier.
Having so
Pets.
pets
Yes.
makes people happier.
Yes.
Uh, 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 Actually, I didn't have pets, but I think the pets to having pets, it will give your happier to your life, to your life. Um, uh, Pets can give the feelings like uh, you you will not feeling lonely,
Mhm.
and maybe sometimes it's also reducing your stress,
Mhm.
and um, and also the people that adopt the pet will give like will get some uh, feeling like they apa ya apa dia merasa they feeling love
Mhm.
with the pets,
Okay. That's
and yeah, in the simple sometimes just see they play or uh, just see about their something that they did, they that already giving our giving the better um, mood,
mhm. There are feelings.
better feelings. Yeah.
I see. Do you have a plan to have a pet?
Um. Uh. I have a plan to adopt a pet, especially like cats, maybe,
Mhm.
because I like the cuteness of them, about the pets, and also, but right now I have not a pet in my house, in my hometown, in my parents' house, because uh, when I just try to adopt the pet like the cats in the street at the street
Mhm.
that I took
Okay.
to my home, my parents will kick the pet, like to move it to the another place that
Mhm.
like move to the another place like the eh apa apa kok pasar tuh katanya apa ya,
Market.
traditional market, so they will get food easier. They said
Mm,
something like that.
I see, I see. So actually you have also tried it.
Yeah, yeah. It's uh, kind of often to try it, but
Oh.
it's always
Uh,
they kick it.
I
Maybe I have tried like 3 times maybe,
okay, I see.
but
But you don't plan to try
uh,
it again.
yeah, it's enough to try again. I think
Okay, maybe you have to
they they will
try
they
race
will
cat.
they will not change about their mind. Oh, sorry.
Mm. Maybe you have to try race cat, kucing ras,
Oh,
not a.
um, it's still just because um they said I'm not ready about the responsibility.
Mhm.
Um, um, even my parents also. Um, but actually, my father it's also tried to have some pets like a bird.
Okay.
I think he get some influence
Mhm.
from his friends, but it only failed,
Okay.
and
Okay.
yeah, failed. Even they uh, apa they he's released the last bird because at the first he tried to adopt like the two birds, a couple of birds, but
Mhm.
the female bisa dibilang female juga kalau betina tuh ya, betina jantan.
Iya, kayaknya ada deh istilahnya.
Deh apa ya, jantan.
Let's see. Tapi bisa pakai female juga
Gak
sih.
apa bisa ya.
Mhm.
Yeah, like the female bird is going to die and he saw the boy bird it's kind of lonely from the surface.
Oh,
So he's released him.
mm.
He released it.
Oh, okay, okay, all right. So is it because your father not really good taking care of it?
Um, Actually, what if I just looking him looking with the with the things that he already did it.
Mhm.
Uh, I think he's a good person because he always to give some food in the on time, not late, and also try to play with his pet, like giving some a bird sound from his mouth, like
Yeah.
gitu. But uh, I also confused why the male bird, the female bird going die.
Mm,
Maybe just bad uh, bad fate
okay.
apa ya. Uh, but yeah, I think my father it's feel enough to have some pets after that.
All right. That's interesting. Actually, you can say also bad luck.
Oh iya, bad luck benar juga.
All right. Okay, that would be our last question for today, Berdrian.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming today. So see you
Thank you
tomorrow.
so
Bye
much.
bye.
Thank you. Bye.